Good morning, all of you, my dear friends and my dear vestigians. Uh, Actually, our today's session is on English language, so I will like to speak with all of you in English only. So, anything you want to tell me or any question I do to you, kindly reply me on chat section only. Hope you all have listening my voice. Please, please, you can tell me if my voice you can listen now. Okay, thank you, ma'am. So, first of all, thank you to all of you, those who have participated in my today's session. So, hope all of you are doing well and are safe and secured at home. So, actually, many of you know me, and maybe some of you do not know me. For you, maybe I am first to whom you are hearing today. So, I would like to introduce myself little bit to the new person only. Uh, my name is Avika Chakraborty from Mangalday, Dorong district. I am working in Vestige as a goal director. I am also a degree student. I am working in Vestige by also continuing my studies. So, all of you, I would like to say that nice to meet all of you, and those who know me, to them, hello from me, and let us talk today. Actually, I'm not going to give you a training or meeting today. I'm just going to talk with all of you to discuss some valid points with all of you. So, let us start our today's session. Our today's session is totally based on youth empowerment. As you can see on the screen, I think screen is visible, right? Anyone can just tell me that is screen is visible to them or not? I think you can see. Okay, okay. Thank you, ma'am. So, okay, as you can see in the screen that calling all youths. So now you can only see only that our today's program is about youth empowerment only, and don't worry, I'm not going to motivate you because I never believe in motivation. As I told you before that I am just going to discuss some points with you and making you realize about today's reality. So, therefore, let's start our today's session, Youth Empowerment. Welcome all of you once again. Again, now I would like to say that as you can see youth in your screen. So, what is the definition of youth according to you? Can anyone tell me in the chat section, please? That for you, what is the meaning of youth? Anyone can tell me in the chat section the definition of youth for them is what? Okay, so let I only say that what is youth's definition? Yes, right, Sharmila ma'am, that's young generation. You are absolutely right. According to you, the meaning of youth is young generation. But again, for some of them, welcome ma'am, for some of the people, the meaning of youth is that the age between from 13 to 35 years is known as youth, right? So, but according to my point of view, the definition of youth is that a youth person is one who is always energetic, active, ready to learn, and ready to work, right? That doesn't matter what age he or she is, but the thing matter is that the energy and the activity the person has. So, suppose I'm giving you an example that a person whose age is 65 or 70, if he is energetic, active, smart, ready to work always, ready to learn always, then he is considered as youth. This is the perfect definition of youth actually. uh, Rather than as we know that youth means only the age group from 13 to 35, or nowadays 40 is also considered as youth, but that doesn't mean that the person whose age is above 40 is cannot be known as youth. Yes, you all are youth, my dear friends, just you need to maintain the activities of a youth. So let's see, move to the next slide. So now the biggest question is that how many youths are there in India? As we know that our India is a populated country, there is a large population in our country. So now the question is that how many people are present in India who are totally said as youth. Let us know that. We will be knowing this now. Approximately 600 million population in India is younger than 25 years of age, and close to 70% of the total population is less than 40 years of age. Near about 40% of the Indian population is aged between 13 to 35 years, that is defined as youth according to the National Youth Policy. Hopefully you have understood that how many youths are living in our India, right? So now the biggest question arises here that what did these youths have done for developing our nation? What these youth do? What these youth people do for the development of our country? This is the biggest question which arises. Let us see general youths in India what do. So here are some funny, actually not funny, according to some of you, these are funny, but actually this is the reality what a youth generally does in India. I will not say that all the youth do this only, but most of the youth what do in India. So first of all is that a youth participates in political topics. So I think it is a reality that generally every youth is associated directly or indirectly with political discussions or political debates or political gossips. That is not a bad thing actually. We should know about the Indian politics. We should get knowledge about political science. We should know who is our prime minister, who is our president. But that is wrong that we should discuss daily and we should discuss every time about the political topics only. Some of the youths what they do, actually it happened with me only. When I approached the vestige business to some of my friends, I was approaching them the business that you can do the vestige. It is a very good and direct selling industry. India is number one direct selling industry, so you can join the vestige. So what they told me that they don't have time. So I actually had research what they do whole days, that they don't have enough time to do vestige only, because I study also and I'm also doing vestige. So what are they doing except studying? So when I have looked to my friends, I found that they are mostly associated on political topics only. They unnecessarily participates on the political rallies, political movements, political strikes. The biggest question from my side is that in participating these topics, are we becoming millionaire? Are we becoming rich? Is any benefits we are getting from the government or anything? And why would we get the benefits? Because we are not doing anything. To get money, to become rich, we will have to work hard. Then only we can become rich or successful. By participating in useless things, we can't be successful. So the second thing what a youth does is watches movies. My dear friends, I love to watch movies. Even watching movie is my also hobby. But that doesn't mean that whole day I would like to watch movies only. So this is very bad thing. We should watch movies, but we should work hard. At least in a day, we can watch 1 hour to 2 hour a movie, but not regularly. Some people what do, some youths what do, they pass their time on movie theaters only. Actually that is bad thing. You are going to movie theaters, you are buying tickets, and someone else is earning from that. You are not getting any income or any benefit from that. So please be aware and try to become so much rich that one day you can produce a film or you can direct a film. Time pass. The third thing that a youth does in India, and most people do, this is very common thing, that is time pass. So what is time pass? What kind of time pass can youth do? The biggest time pass that a youth does is in the stucking in unusual relationships. So what is unusual relationships? That are meaningless, that are fake, that are temporary. They just do time pass, they just do chats, they just do messages, they just do video calls. With that, nothing can be happen. I'm not telling that every relationship is fake. Some are true, but it can be permanent if you work today for your future rather than wasting your time on those stucking relationships, right? Another time pass thing that a youth does is by making videos on TikTok or any musically or any other apps. So my dear friends, wasting in this kind of video making is not going to give us success. I'm that only shocked whenever I have approached the vestige management business to my friends. They have told me I have no time. I don't have a time to take a breath also. So when I have researched their Facebook account or any other account, I have show them that they are doing so many useless things. So that's very shocking, and I think we should not do such things. Next, as usual, you all of you know only many youths what do they do Facebook most of the time, WhatsApp most of the time, Instagram most of the time. Associating with social media is not a bad thing. I also have Facebook, I also have WhatsApp, I also have Instagram. It is not a bad idea to have a social media associating apps, but how much time we give in the social media, that is the most important thing. Not only youth, some big people, some old people also spend out of 24 years 24 sorry out of 24 hours 20 hours on social media only. That's very bad. They wake up with WhatsApp message when they go to the toilet, or they when they eat food, then also they are doing Facebook and WhatsApp. Actually, that's very bad thing. We should use social media in a limited basis only. Again, some youths, what they do, they just roam here and there unnecessarily. I know many of you are very very sad because of the lockdown situation. You cannot get out of your home. You cannot roam here and there. So maybe you are sad. So listen, my dear friends. According to me, roaming is not a bad idea. But where would you go to roam? Just in your locality or in your streets? If you today work hard, and if today you are working hard and becoming successful, in future you can roam in abroad. Just think about it once. Riding motorcycle. This is the most favorite option which many youths have. And for girls, nowadays, scooty. Actually, girls don't need any vehicle. Girls can walk only, right? Girls can roam by walking only. So they don't need any vehicle only. So question is that by buying your own motorcycle or buying your own vehicle can give you the most satisfaction rather than enjoying your father's income's motorcycle, right? Everybody agreed or everybody understanding what I'm saying? Any kind of voice breaking? Okay, thank you so much. So hope all of you are understanding my points. So riding motorcycle or riding a vehicle is not a bad idea, but we should have a limit on it. We should have a limitations on it. This is not the age to ride a bike or ride a vehicle. This is the age to earn. The more you earn today, the more enjoy you get tomorrow. There are etc. What is the meaning of etc? I have written the last point, that is etc. etc means there are more points which a youth does in India. Some are negative points, some are very much funny points, and some are little bit positive also. So I had not mentioned those, many of you know only. So I will move ahead. So the thing is that what a youth should actually do for becoming successful or making the nation develop or making the nation proud. So let us see what a youth should do. A youth should be always energetic and ready to learn. Who is energetic? An old person or an youth? For me, according to me, a youth is always energetic and active. They are never lazy. They are never giving this and that I can't, I cannot go here and there. They don't give this useless reasons. They are always ready to learn. Actually, it is said that learning never ends till our death. The more we learn, the more we become successful. So youths are ready to learn. Second point that youth should do, always ready to do hard work and smart work. Every youth should work hard now, and only working hard is not satisfactory. Also smart work is needed. What is smart work? Now it is the big question. Many of us, what we do, we work hard but we do not get success. Why? Because we do not work smartly. A carpenter also work hard. They always struggle from early morning to late night, but are they rich? Are they traveling in Mercedes or Audi? Why they are not successful? If they are working hard, why are not they successful? Because they are not working smart. If you work only 1 hour a day, but if the work is smart, then you can be successful. So the key to success is always a smart work. Then it comes the hard work. Then what a youth should do? A youth should have one's own dream, mission, and goal for their future. Now, if I generally ask a youth, what's your dream? They will not say, some of will say that I have a dream to become a doctor, I have a dream to become an engineer. Okay, very good. They have dreams, but most of the youths do not have any dream, any mission, or any goal for their future. What is a goal? Now we know that we want to become an astronaut, but how to become an astronaut, what are the preparations that we need to become an astronaut, we had not planned, then that is not considered as goal. The goal is the thing when we prepare for our dream. The next point is that a youth saves times in something useful. They don't waste their time. You understanding only, I think, by studying these points only you are going to understand. So I will not like to describe every point. Earns money from the age of 18 along with continuing their studies. Hopefully you are understanding. A real youth icon is one who earns from the age of 18 by continuing their studies. Then again, youth always focus on something big to do for a wealthy life, luxurious and successful life in future, right? So another thing which what a youth do, become successful before the age of 30 to 32. Now suppose if you are successful after the age of 65, will you be happy? I don't think you would like to travel America by sitting in a wheelchair rather than traveling America now by riding on a Mercedes Benz. Which one is the correct option for you? Riding on a bicycle, riding on a wheelchair, or riding on a Mercedes before the age of 30? So actually in abroad countries, what a youth does, youth become successful before the age of 30 to 35 only, because they can then enjoy their life. That doesn't matter that person is he or she, because now girls are also can become successful. Girls are made for become successful, not for marriage. Many of the girls, what they think that we are made for marriage, we are made for wedding. That is very very false thing. We can also ride our own Mercedes rather than traveling on our husband's Mercedes. Please keep these things always on your mind. Now another point is that responsible for caring parents before starting a family, like the wife, husband and children. So a real youth is one who is responsible for caring about their parents before starting a family. In India, what happens? A youth is responsible. A youth starts to earn money when he is going to get married within 2 years or 1 year. So what about the parents or your grandparents? Actually that is very very wrong thing. Before starting a family with your husband or with your wife or children, you should give the happiness, you should give a bondage of love, a bondage of abundance to your parents first of all. Then your duty comes to your husband, wife, or and children. So another thing is that as I have told you that youths have a list of activities. They can do anything in a one day. A old man cannot do a lot of activities, but a youth can do a lot of activities because they have that much of immunity, that much of coenzyme in them, that much of energy in them. So as I have told, they are always ready to work and ready to earn. A youth is energetic when a appliances, like as we know, we all are vestigians. So what a vestigian does? Daily 5 programs, daily 5 to 3 programs. So whenever a program is ready, a downline calls you that I need a program or I need a meeting by you. That time only you can go, that yes, I am going for a meeting. You have that much of energy. That is called that always ready to work and ready to earn. Now another thing is that they should have a wonderful attitude that before becoming a husband or wife, one should be a millionaire. I will I will discuss a point with you what our one of our youth icon had said about this point. So later we will discuss about this point. Let's move ahead. Whenever I tell someone, or whenever you may tell, when as you are a vestigian, you may consider or you may show a plan to any of youth. So a youth will be questioning. So what you will say then? Whenever we tell to you to become a millionaire, they have a question to what to do, job or traditional business, because they do not know anything about network marketing, or they do not know anything about vestige. So let us see the things which in job we get and the things which in traditional business we get. So which one is right option? You can see on the screen. Okay, network issue. Voice is coming, ma'am, I think. Anybody can tell me, his voice is coming? Voice is beating or coming? Can you hear, all of you? Can you hear me? Okay, thank you, sir. Okay, thank you, ma'am. As you have seen, there are two options which most of the Indians know. Not only the children, but the parents also know only two options for their children's career. What are those two options? One is job, another is traditional business. Let us know little bit about job. What is the meaning of job? As we know, the meaning of job is just obey the boss. But there is another meaning of job, that is juice of the body. Why it is known as the juice of the body? Because you have to work so hard day and night, but the income is very limited. And why it is known as just obey the boss? Because you are here not your own boss, because there is another boss sitting above you, and he always orders you or commands you to do this and that. So what you get in job? Let us know something. In job, there is no time freedom. If you are going to work for a job, then actually you are not getting any time freedom. 15 to 20 years of journey for getting a job. Now many of you will ask me, what is the 15 to 20 years of journey for getting a job? Actually it is a journey, because first of all, actually not 10 years, because there is pre-nursery, nursery, KG also included. So I will like to say, uh, 13 years we had to struggle for a HSLC degree. Then we had to struggle 2 years for HS degree. Then again 3 years for BA, BCom or BSc degree. Then again we had to struggle for MA, MBA, MCom, MSc. And nowadays there are so many degrees, like BEd is there. Then also for hi-fi job, those who want to get very hi-fi job, very qualified job, those are very lengthy process educational system, like UPSC, APSC exams you have to clear for that. As I was also one of them, for me my dream was to give an UPSC or APSC exam. My parents also approached me to do a wonderful job, by passing out the APSC exam after my HS got completed. Actually, I had taken honors on English when I am doing my as I'm doing my graduation. I have honors in English. So my parents approached me that after graduation you can do an APSC or UPSC exam, then you can pass out and do a great job. So I was also thinking to have a wonderful job, but when I realized the difference between a job and a network marketing, that by doing a job I may not get those benefits what I may get by doing a network marketing or working in direct selling, which is vestige. Then I changed my decision, and by changing my decision I have decided that full life I will do, whole life I will do vestige only, and I had take my career vestige only. So that was my decision. In vestige we no need to take a long journey. The moment you start to earn, it may take 100 rupees. Slowly the income get increased day by day. So let's see what are the more things in job we see. Okay, so full day and everyday work. Full day we have to work, we cannot take a break. If you are in a high position, then only break taking is possible, otherwise not. Everyday working is essential. You cannot say that no, today I want work, today I want to take rest. No, if the office is closed due to public holidays, then only you can take a holiday, otherwise no. So ceiling in income. If you have started a job with a salary of 30,000, then until you get retirement, the salary will be 30,000 only. If you have gotten a promotion, then it may be increased up to 60,000 or 70,000, but it may not increase to 5 lakhs. As in vestige, we know income increases day by day. The more you work, the more the income get increased. So the thing is that in job your income is always limited. There is a ceiling. As we see it in a home, in our home there is a ceiling, we can't see the sky. That same like that only in job, our income has a ceiling. The income cannot go high above the sky. So that the thing is i I'm going to explain you. I hope all of you are understanding my point. Next, the job gives us that it gives no vacations to us. No vacation we can take from job. Then always be down by dreaming of promotions. No guarantee that we will get promotion. 5% of 5% chances of getting a dream job in this 21st century. There is very less chances that we can get our dream job in this 21st century, because to get our dream job we will have to spend a lot of money in some kind of associations or in some people's hands, or we will have to be friendly with MLA MP to get wonderful jobs, because nowadays our food totally country is corrupted. So more you will be flowing in this corruption, the more you will be get benefits. So it is very low chances. And if I say about private job, as this coronavirus has come and lockdown is going on, many private companies have gone been banned. So I don't think that private job is not easy nowadays to get, because private companies are getting banned day by day. And if you get also, there is no security that you will be eligible this job for whole life. They may anytime close the company, or they may tell you to leave the job at any time if they find a person more eligible than you for that position. So another thing in job is that no family security. If it is a government job, then only you get a pension system, otherwise not. So let's see, if a person in our India do not get a job, what they do? They do the traditional business, that is by opening a shop. It may be grocery shop, it may be clothes shop, it may be any shop. They just open a traditional business. uh, so now let's see what are the benefits or disadvantages in traditional business, and as we have seen some of the disadvantages of job. In traditional business there is no time freedom as like a job. There will be full time duty. You have to give the full-time duty on your business. Second point is that investment high, profit high. The more you invest in your business, the more profit you get. Every day attentive, then only high profit. That is, you can't keep your shop in the employees' hands. The employees may stole the things or stole the money, so you can't hand over them the business. So you have to be present and attentive in the shop all time to get high profits. No holidays. You can't take vacations by your choices. Only weekly offs or any other public offs only you can get. Great competition in the market. In early decades, in one area there was only one grocery shop only, but nowadays in this present life, in a one small area we get several grocery shops. So there is a huge competition in the market. Low chances of great income. There are very low chances that you will be successful by earning a lots of money from this traditional business. There are very low chances. No family security. Your family is not secured by this traditional business. Never. High capital investment. The more capitally you invest in your traditional business, the more successful you become. So these were the options which generally a youth chooses in India, and their parents also approached them to choose these only. We have another actually two options I have told only, that employed, that means doing job, and self-employed, the one who does traditional business. So these two options we have studied only. Another two options also we have, that is investor. Who is an investor? Those who want to open their own industry or own factory. Is it easy for everyone? No, my dear friends, it is not easy to open an industry or factory because it requires a huge investment. The more you invest, then only you can open your own factory or your own industry. And the most common thing from where in which money is working for you, as you can see in the screen, in this category money will be working for you, but sadly in India this category is very much ignored by every parents and every children. That is nothing, that is big business. And what is big business? That is none other than, that is only one thing, network marketing or direct selling business. What is network marketing? Whenever people ask us that what is network marketing, or if we ask them that what they understand about network marketing, they tell us that that is a chain system. Maybe it is a chain system according to you, maybe it is a chain system, but actually not. In our day-to-day life, everything is chain only. But if we see the network marketing's positive side, the positive side says that network marketing means you become successful by making others successful. You can see in the screen a green color person. In his below there are more blue color persons. Actually they all become successful, then only the green color person, the above person, become successful. That is the most positive side of a network marketing. Now who supports network marketing? As you can see two people in the screen. First of all, I would like to introduce you. I know that you all of you know them very well, so also I'm telling. He is APJ Abdul Kalam, our India's ex-president and the missile man of India. So what did he told about network marketing? Let's see. Network marketing is the fastest growing business of 21st century, which must be joined by every young man and woman globally. Otherwise you can get never the best of your youth age. So this thing is told by our great respected APJ Abdul Kalam sir. So actually this thing should be followed and once think by all the youths present in India. If I see the another picture, the man present in the picture is none other than our India's first richest man, Mr. Bill Gates, the owner of Microsoft. But actually now he is the second richest man in the world, as now Jeff Bezos, the owner of Amazon, has become the first richest man of the world. So what did Bill Gates had said? it would be given if I would be given a chance to start all over again, I would choose network marketing. So a big statement told by him, if these big people who had earned so much of respect and money in their life are saying that network marketing is the fastest growing business in this century, so why can't we follow them and why can't we join them? So this is the question you should ask every youth, and this is the thing you should say to every youth, right? So why network marketing? Now biggest question every youth will tell to you is that why we should join network marketing. What are the benefits of network marketing? Listen, there in this network marketing you will no need to spend any kind of money except the food, fares and self development. That means whenever you travel for your business, you will have to spend money for your food, for your traveling fares, and also for your self development. That is any kind of success seminar, any kind of meeting. So you have to buy some kind of tickets. For that also money is spent. But these are very little if you calculate all those expenses you have done in by getting a job or by doing a traditional business or industrial sector business. So these expenses are calculated as very low expenses. Then next benefit of network marketing is that time freedom. Work for 1 hour or 12 hours, choice is your. There is no one who will tell you that you will have to work 12 hours only. The choice is your, that you will work today or not, or how many hours are you going to be working. Vacations easily grabbed. In this network marketing you can get your own vacations. If you're thinking that today I'm not going to work, I'm going for a vacation, you can easily go. No one will stop you, no one will be saying that why are you going today, come and work. So these things will not happen in network marketing. Second, unlimited next is that unlimited income, no ceiling. In network marketing there will you will be earning unlimited income. There is will be no ceiling in your income. As I have explained before, in job there is a ceiling in your income, like a house which has a ceiling, you can't see a sky. Like that only in income there become a ceiling from where you can't see the sky. So in network marketing nothing happens. If one is earning today 100 rupees, if he works hard and follows the system, tomorrow he or she will be earning 3 lakhs 4 lakhs monthly income also. So it is unlimited. Next, you become successful by making others success. In many other works, you become successful by making others failures. But in network marketing, you will be becoming successful by making others successful. So this is a huge blessings which you get from others. The next point is that luxury lifestyle and environment. When you join a network marketing, you experience a luxury lifestyle and you come to a luxury environment, and in a positive environment also you meet successful people, you hear successful people, then success attracts you more and more. Next point is that family security is eligible if you study about network marketing, especially our vestige management. Then you can see that family security is very much eligible. As we know, we mostly I say these things in CNT or other trainings only. Next is that no capital invest. For doing network marketing you no need to do any kind of capital investment. You are here your own boss, no one will command you to do this and that. Next is financial freedom. I know we are independent in 1947 from the British Council, but are we economically independent? No. If you want to become an economical independent person or a financial freedom person, then you will have to choose only one thing, that is network marketing. Rather than all other options are very much hard. You have to struggle more and more to become a rich person. The biggest question is that there are many other network marketing companies and direct selling companies in India only. So why should a youth join Vestige? The more reasons which are not written here, that may be that India's #1 direct selling company is our Vestige company. Then most developing MLM company in 2019 to 2020 years of ratio, our Vestige is going #1. Then in global 100 records of direct selling in whole around the world, our Vestige is in 30th number. So are these reasons are suitable for a youth to join Vestige? Actually, no. They doesn't care that what Vestige has, what certificate Vestige has. They never cares that. They just see what benefits they can have through Vestige. So let us see what benefits they can have if they become a Vestigian. In Vestige, one can earn from 100 rupees to 1 crore rupees. The choice is your how much money you need, how much money you are going to be working, because there is no work where you can get free money. You will have to work. You will have to follow the system. Then only you can get money. So the earnings ratio in Vestige starts from 100 to 1 crore rupees. There is no other field where you can get 1 crore rupees monthly. Only in Vestige we had got an example and we had created an history. Next, 360 luxury car achievers like Mercedes, Audi, BMW, Discovery, Range Rover, Volkswagen from Vestige Car Fund. These 360 luxury car achievers have achieved this kind of luxurious car only from Vestige Car Fund. So why couldn't you? If you join Vestige and you work hard and you follow the system, one day your name will be included in this luxury car achievers name list also. Next is that 15,000 above car achievers are there in Vestige. Those cars are maybe Swift Desire, those cars may be Kia, those cars may be XUV. So those cars are worthing starts from 5 lakhs to 30 lakhs only. Every Vestigian travels 2 times in foreign trip from Vestige Travel Fund, that is Asia trip and Europe trip. If you become a Vestigian in a year, you can travel 2 times abroad. That is, one is Asia trip, another is Europe, Africa, America, Australia trip. Recently, before this coronavirus came, our Vestige Travel Fund had gone and our Asia trip had been gone. That was Thailand trip. Many of the Vestigians have gone there. Next point is this: every Vestigians, those who are successful now, they are buying homes or apartments worthing 40 lakhs to 4 crores from Vestige House Fund. So everyone has a dream house. So you can achieve your dream house through Vestige in a very easy way. So more you go above, the more you will get details about this house fund, car fund, and travel fund. Next is a luxury and respected life. There are many ways through which you can earn money, through which you can become a luxurious life, you can have a rich life. But there are very less way where you can get these all things by getting a lots of respect. In Vestige, you will be rich, you will be luxurious, you will be wealthy. But within that, you will also get a huge, huge respect. That's only possible in Vestige. The what are the things which Vestige gives you more? Vestige gives you financial freedom, that what I told you, that as we are economically till now not independent, so if you need that economical independence, Vestige can give you that. Next is time freedom. Whenever you are liking, you can work. Now if you are thinking today I want to take a vacation, you can take. No one will order you, command you, or scold you. Next, family security. As you will know, there are many people who are today not in this world. They had gone above, they had died, but still money is going to their family. So Vestige gives you a proper family security. Next, a upline or a leader who supports you or guides you for your path of success. In Vestige, you will not be alone. There will be someone who will always guide you and always support you. Next, you will get wonderful meetings and trainings. There are some trainings which are mentioned. You can see in the screen only. Uh, Next, you will get here an accumulative plan, which most of the network marketings do not have. Only the Vestige marketing plan is giving you this accumulative plan. Next, great 7 ways of income. 7 ways of income is that thing from where you can become a millionaire easily. Next, great benefits for consumer. In Vestige, those who are not doing the business, they are also earning money in a little amount, because Vestige gives them a great benefits for consumers also. Great recognitions like award functions and more. Then great marketing plan, great products which are totally ISO halal certified, as many of you know. then wonderful branch offices and district level center points. You no need to go to the direct head office for buying products. You can just go to your district level, that is DLCP points, to buy products. And nowadays Vestige has given you more facilities. As lockdown is going on, you can shop Vestige products by ordering online only. Courier services are also open. Next is Best Deal app or mall. Vestige also give you a Best Deal app from where you can order grocery items or any kind of dresses, electronics item. We also have beautiful malls of Best Deal. Next, you become successful by making others successful. In Vestige, if you want to become successful, you will have to make others successful. From these points, I want to tell all of you, is these things are suitable for every parents to tell that yes, this is the right career option for my children? A big yes, because nowadays a perfect career is not easily getting by any children or any parents. So if they want their children a proper, a safety career, Vestige is the right platform for all of them. Asia's highest earner, 1 crore monthly earner in Vestige, a story of a man who earned 1.6 crores, Mr. Siddharth Singh sir. Don't worry, I'm not going to share his story today. Many of you may be shocked that in this youth empowerment program, why I'm showing his picture, because he's not a youth, as we all know. But I am showing his picture to all of you because he may not be youth by his age, but he had done what a youth does. He is very energetic, he is very active, he is always ready to earn, he is always ready to work and ready to learn. So these qualities a youth should have, which he had. And he created a history in the network marketing and direct selling history in India. He had earned 1.6 crores from Vestige. So a huge respect should be given to him, Mr. Siddharth Singh sir. And actually, I told you that my aim was to get a job and do a job by clearing the APSC and UPSC exams. But I had changed my decision when I realized that Vestige is right platform for every youth. I changed my decision when I saw his program, that was Millionaire Mind Lifetime. That meeting, when I attend that meeting, then I changed my decision, and today I am here only because of him. Because of him only I had choose Vestige as a career. So I always respect him a lot. Mr. Shivam Goswami sir, who gave me the encouragement to do Vestige, because many youths have a question that students can do Vestige or not. Actually, he proved that a Vestige is the right platform and right career for every student. I would like to share a simple story of Shivam Goswami sir. Many of you know him. Those who do not know a little bit, they should know, I think. So I would like to tell a small story about him. Mm, Mr. Shivam Goswami sir is living in New Delhi. He was, before Vestige, he was studying in Delhi University as a BSc student. He belonged to a very rich family. By studying BSc at his first year, he joined Vestige. During the first year of his Vestige journey, he got very much struggle. He got very much of rejections. The friends of Shivam Goswami who told him that they would give life for him, they also boycotted Shivam Goswami and Vestige. They didn't take 1000 rupees products also, because they think that by taking 1000 products would help Shivam Goswami sir a lot. So they always rejected him. He had faced a lot of struggles. His parents didn't allow him to work in Vestige. He was hiding that he was working in Vestige, and by hiding himself, he was working and working. At the end of his third year BSc, when 3 years completed and he completed his BSc exam, he became crown director in Vestige within 3 years, and he started earning 3 lakhs monthly income from Vestige. At that time, he had his birthday. I think generally youth do not give themselves birthday gifts, right? If they gift also, they may give themselves a perfect dress, a perfect thing, anything, etc. But Mr. Shivam Goswami sir gifted himself in his birthday a Baleno car. if I say his present age, his present age is 25 years and his present income from Vestige is 6 lakhs, and his level in Vestige now is Universal Crown Director. Last year, actually in 2019, in June month, when his birthday came again in his birthday, he gifted himself Audi Q3 car. So he made possible only because of a positive attitude, and he had become a great inspiration for many youths. There are many more youths under his team here only, and some are from other teams also, like Dushan Dhiman sir, who is driving a great BMW car from Vestige. Then there are also lady youth icon like Miss Purnima Singh, Miss Harsha Bajaj. Those are also some of our youth icons. So hope all of you like our today's session. Many of you know Shivam Goswami sir. I think if he can, why can't you? You can also become successful and youth icon like him if you are going to follow the Vestige system. I always say that if you want to become successful in Vestige, you will have to follow the system. Is Vestige right platform for you? This decision cannot be taken by me or your upline. This decision is taken by yourself. If yes, then come on, let us join togetherly and join the wealth revolution and create a wealth zone for all of us. If you work in Vestige, you are not going to work alone. You are working with lots of people. You are working as a team player. You are working as a team worker. Then only you will become successful. Nowadays, career choosing is the most difficult time, and the most difficult choice actually to choose anything as a career. So it should be chosen by lots of thinking, and actually nowadays network marketing is right choice for you, as because we have known that reports are coming upcoming by the upcoming 1 to 2 years. Any government job vacancy is not going to come, and to start a shop is impossible because police will break your shop and will not let you come out of your home. So what is the thing? You can work from home. Now many people tells that by yes, we can earn 1 crore rupees, lakh rupees income from Bollywood industry or cricket industry also. But is it easy to join Bollywood or cricket industry in this present life? Actually, no. You will have to become nephew of Sachin Tendulkar, then only you can join the Indian cricket team nowadays. Or you will have to become the daughter of Shah Rukh Khan to join the Bollywood industry now. For a common people to become a Bollywood icon or to become a cricketer, this kind of celebrity styles, if you want to become a celebrity, is very hard for a common people nowadays. So easiest way to become a millionaire is by doing a great business, that is network marketing. And our Vestige has a well crafted marketing plan which will always make you successful, only will never let you go down. So I think Vestige is the right platform for you. Otherwise, all choice is your, decision is your, life is your. With this point of view, I would like to end my session today here only. Thank you very much. Wish you wealth, all of you.